Alright, this is going to be the last video on this job. It's taking forever and it's kind of getting monotonous, but I got to get all the brush. The last video I just made it to the road nearly, so I'm going to get all this brush and everything, kind of work towards the fire. And haven't started it back yet, but I got a couple pine trees right in here, about 10 more pines to take down. I'm gonna leave this oak for now. They wanted some shade, but it may be too close to the shop they're gonna build. But this is gonna be the final push on this job to get everything knocked down and sawed up and dragged to the fire and burn up. We are bad close, so probably just gonna time lapse most of it. Get her did. Y'all know what time it is. Whew. Getting hot. Let that get going pretty good, and then it's a really good day to burn. The wind's not blowing at all, and I've got a lot to burn, so I'm gonna let that get pretty hot, and then I'm just gonna pile it on and let her roll. Ooh, that's hot. Finally got hot. Dang, I can barely stand up next to it. I got a bunch knocked out today. That's gonna take a minute to burn on down. Tomorrow I'll be back. I got probably half that still left laying around the edges here, but she's opening on up. I mean, it looks, you can for sure see what I've done now that I got all the brush and stuff out of the way, but it's coming along good. Gotta wait on them to come mark by the road and take down probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 small trees up there, but I'll talk to the homeowner. I'll tell them to come out here and look and see if they want any more select cut. But that should be good on that. So I'll give the final update, because now it's just tracking stuff to the fire and burning it, and I'm gonna call it a day. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I doubt I got any women watching, but if I do, happy Mother's Day. Well, I finally got back over here and kept the fire stacked up and going and burned it down. And I just finished covering it up, and there's where she used to be. Step over here and get the whole job. So that's the whole clearing job. See the excavator sitting back off in there. It goes on out all the way to the road. So I'm glad to have this one finally done. I'm sure the homeowners are too. I've just had a lot of jobs bouncing back and forth. But there she is.